My name is Hamza, and before you skip this video, listen carefully. This is not just another motivational speech you have heard before. This message is for the person who feels lost but still dreams big. I create videos to wake up the sleeping potential inside people. If you stay till the end, your mindset will never be the same again. Success does not come from luck. It comes from decisions. This channel exists to remind you who you really are. If you believe in growth, make sure you subscribe right now. Because this journey of change starts today, not tomorrow. Chapter 2, Why Most People Fail. Most people fail not because they are weak, but because they quit early. They stop when results are slow and pressure becomes heavy. Dreams die when discipline disappears from daily life. You cannot win if you keep waiting for motivation. Motivation follows action, not the other way around. Every successful person once felt tired, scared, and confused. The difference is they did not stop moving forward. This channel reminds you to keep going, so subscribe for strength. Your future is watching what you do today. Chapter 3, Your Mind is Your Weapon. Your mind can build your life or destroy it completely. What you think daily becomes your reality over time. Negative thoughts silently kill powerful dreams. You must learn to control your inner voice. Talk to yourself like a winner, not a victim. Champions are created first in the mind. Change your mindset and everything will change. If this message hits you, subscribe to this channel now. Because mindset training is the real education. Chapter 4, Pain is part of growth. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is your teacher. Every struggle is preparing you for something bigger. Growth always demands sacrifice and discomfort. If it was easy, everyone would be successful. Pain separates the serious from the average. Do not run from hard moments. Face them bravely. Your strongest version is born through struggle. This channel exists to guide you through pain, so subscribe. Remember, diamonds are created under pressure. Chapter 5, Discipline over Motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. Winners work even when they feel tired. Discipline is doing what must be done daily. Small actions repeated consistently create massive results. Your habits decide your future, not your wishes. Stop waiting for perfect conditions to start. Start now, improve later, and never stop. Subscribe to this channel for daily mental discipline. Because discipline builds unstoppable people. Chapter 6, Time is your most valuable asset. Time once gone will never return. You waste time, you waste life itself. Successful people respect every single hour. Stop spending time on things that add no value. Invest your time in learning and self-growth. Your future depends on how you use today. One focused year can change your entire life. Subscribe now if you value your time. Because this channel is built for serious people. Excuses.